Welcome back to video classes. So, the chapter is pair of linear equations in two variables. Already you learnt how to solve pair of linear equations in two variables by using three algebraic methods: elimination method, substitution method, cross multiplication method. And we did sums based on those very odds also. Now, the next important topic is conditions for consistency. There are two types of conditions for consistency. One is graphically, one is algebraically. Today we are going to learn algebraic conditions for consistency. So first of all, there are two important words. One is consistent and one is inconsistent. So what is consistent? You take a pair of linear equations in two variables. If those two equations are having one common solution, at least one common solution, that is at least one common solution, at least one solution, then it is said to be consistent. It is said to be consistent. What is inconsistent? You take any pair of linear equations in two variables. Those equations having no solutions, there is no solutions for those equations. That is inconsistent. That is inconsistent. No solution. No solution. Inconsistent. Consistent. At least one solution. At least one solution. Infinitely many solutions also will be consistent only. If it is no solution, it will be inconsistent. You take pair of linear equations in two variables. If it is no solution, it is said to be inconsistent. So, at least one solution or infinitely many solutions also, at least one solution or two solutions or three solutions, many solutions, infinitely many solutions, also consistent. Also consistent. Consistent means at least one solutions or at least one solution in the sense infinitely many solutions also you can take it as a consistent. Consistent, inconsistent. These two are very, very important. Let us take one example. What is that example? First, 2x plus 2y is equal to minus 5. X plus y is equal to 9. So, just what this equation I am writing as it is, 2x plus 2y is equal to minus 5, and this equation multiply with 2. So, why? Because I am going to do any elimination method, that's what I have to go for elimination method, that's what I have to balance the equation, that's what I multiply with here this into 2 and LHS into 2, RHS into 2. So, automatically 2 into x, 2x plus 2y, full we have to multiply 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into y, 2y, 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. See the equations carefully. See the equations. You see these two equations. Here 2x plus 2y is equal to minus 5. Here 2x plus 2y is equal to 18, which is impossible. Once you see the equation, this is also 2x plus 2y, this is also 2x plus 2y. Here 2x plus 2y is equal to minus 5, here 2x plus 2y is equal to 18. Is it possible? So anywhere it is not possible. If 2x plus 2y is equal to minus 5, here also 2x plus 2y will be 18. So it is not possible. That's why. So for this case, there is no solution. There is no solution. There is no solution. There is no solution in this case. Suppose if you want, you can solve these two equations. How to solve? So I am solving this equation. This is the elimination method. Both are plus symbols. Here also plus 2y, here also plus 2y, here also plus 2x, here also plus 2x. No problem. Go for subtraction. This is plus symbol. This is plus symbol. This will be minus. This will be minus. So plus 2x minus 2x 0, plus 2y minus 2y 0, whole is 0. 0 is equal to this will be minus 18 minus 5 minus 18 minus 5 minus 23. Is it true? Is the statement is true? 0 is equal to minus 23? It is absolutely false. That's why in this case we can say in this especially this equation 2x plus 2y is equal to minus 5 x plus y is equal to 9 is no solutions. Those two equations are having no solution. There is no solution for these two equations. By seeing 2x plus 2y is equal to minus 5, by seeing 2x plus 2y is equal to 18, even then you see both the equations are same. You see 2x plus 2y is equal to minus 5, 2x plus 2y is equal to 18. So these two equations are here also 2x plus 2y is equal to minus 5, here also 2x plus 2y is equal to 18. This is impossible. That's what I said. That's what I said. Those equations are not having any solution. Here I applied elimination method. Even then I got this answer. You see, I did not get x value. I did not get y value. I should get actually x is equal to something and y is equal to something. I did not get. That's why this is a special condition. 0 is equal to minus 23 is impossible. It is not true. It is false statement. That's why it is. Those equations are having no solutions. No solution. One more page I have taken. 2x plus 3y is equal to 8 and 4x plus 6y is equal to 7. So here also I am going to here multiply with 2 equation. This equation into 2. So 2 2s are 4x. So 3 2s are 6y. 8 2s are 16. So 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 8 2s are 16. Here as it is I am writing. As it is I am writing. So here once again you see 4x plus 6y is equal to 16 and 4x plus 6y is equal to 7. Is it possible? So once again this is one more example. It is not possible. 4x plus 6y is equal to 16. 4x plus 6y is equal to 7. Same. 4x plus 6y is equal to 16. 4x plus 6y is equal to 7. It is not possible. That's why there is no solution. No solution. No solution. No solutions for this pair of linear equations in two variables. So if you want, you can go for elimination method. What is the elimination? You go for subtraction. This is plus, minus, this is minus, minus. You know very well. This plus, because of the subtraction, this plus becomes minus, this plus becomes minus, this plus becomes minus. So 4x minus 4x is equal to 0. 6y minus 6y is equal to 0. Finally, you can write 1 0 is equal to 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. Which is false. Which is false. Which is not true. Which is false. In this particular case, we can say this system of pair of linear equations, these simultaneous equations are having no solution. For this case, no solution. Always we have to check like this. For this, we can find one condition. Let us find one condition. The same equations. 2x plus 2y is equal to minus 5 and x plus y is equal to 9. So actually what is the general form? a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So compare the general form. Here I can write 2x plus 2y. This minus 5 will be transposed from RHS to LHS. This is plus 5 is equal to 0. Coming to here, x plus y. This is plus 9 now. From RHS to LHS, this is minus 9 is equal to 0. Let us write this equation here. 2x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. One more equation. So, one more equation I write. Here, what is that? This compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Next equation. X plus y. X plus y minus 9 is equal to 0. That is nothing but now write the compare with the general form. a1 is equal to 2. a1 is equal to 2. b1 is equal to 2. c1 is equal to 5. a1 is equal to 2. Compare these two. a1 is equal to 2. b1 is equal to 2. C1 is equal to 5. C1 is equal to 5. Here, there is no quotient in the sense the quotient of numerical quotient of x is 1. The numerical quotient of y is 1. That's why A2 is equal to 1. A2 is equal to 1. That's why here B2 is equal to 1. Next, C2 is equal to minus 1. C2 is equal to minus 1. Now, here A1, B1, A1, B1, C1. Okay. Now, from this I will write for condition A1 by A2, B1 by B2 is equal to, suppose C1 by C2. What is A1 by A2? 2 by 2. A1 by A2, 2 by 1. A1, 2, A2, 1, B1, 2, B2, 1. Next term, C1, 5, C2, 5 by minus 9. 5 by minus 9. Now, here 2 is equal to 2. That's why this is no problem. But this is not equal. What is the condition? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C. I got A1 by A2 is equal to 2 by 1. B1 by B2 is equal to 2 by 1. C1 by C2 is equal to 5 by minus 9. But here A1 by A2 is equal to 2. This is 2. This is, both are not equal. That's why we got one special condition by using that coefficients. A1 by A2 is equal to 2. Okay. B1 by B2 is equal to 2. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. Is not equal to C1 by C2. Why? Because these two are equal. This is not equal. That's why in this special case, if you got A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2, no solution. No solution. No solution. Those two pair of linear equations are not having any solution. No solution. No solution. Okay, here one more example already discussed here. Here I write 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. So one more 4x plus 6y minus 7 is equal to 0. I am checking the consistency, whether consistent or inconsistent. No solution or at least one solution. So here compare with a1x plus b1y plus c is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus, this is c1, sorry, this is c2. c2 is equal to 0. Here a1 is equal to 2. a1 is equal to 2. a1 is equal to 2. a2 is equal to 4. a2 is equal to 4. And right here a1 is equal to 2. a2 is equal to 4. a1 is equal to 2. a2 is equal to 4. b1 is equal to 3. b1 is equal to 3. b2 is equal to 6. b2 is equal to 6. c1 is equal to minus 8. c2 is equal to minus 7. c1 is equal to minus 8. c2 is equal to minus 7. Now a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Understand? a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. I will write down a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 is equal to, what is a1 by a2? 2 by 4. What is b1 by b2? b1 by b2 3 by 6. What is c1 by c2? Minus 8 by minus 7. Listen carefully. So here this a1 by a2 is nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 2. a1 by a2 is nothing but 1 by 2. B1. Finally, I can write one condition. What is that? Here A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. But what about C1 by C2? Is it C1 by C2 is equal to 1 by 2? No. C1 by C2 is having different value. That's why minus 8 by minus 7. We can write minus 8 by minus 7. We can write 8 by 7 also. No problem. 8 by 7. 8 by 7. So 8 by 7, that is nothing but 8 by 7. 8 by 7 is, this is nothing but C1. We can write here, instead of is equal to, we can write not equal. Not equal. Why? Because A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. It is okay. From here, that B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Or A1 by A2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Is not equal to C1 by C2. Finally, I can write A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Here I have it. Then from this I can say, why? Because already we checked these two equations, this equation and before equations. I said no solution. Why? Because we got what is the equation? First equation we got like this only. So 4x plus 6y into 2. No, before I said into 2 is equal to 16. And here 4x plus 6y is equal to 7. Already said. So this is not meaningful. I said no solution. Already said. That's why here already previous equations and these equations before only we cannot we did elimination method. Even then we got 0 is equal to 9 and something we got that condition is not true. That's what here I checked. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. I got a special condition. From this I can say no solution. If it is no solution, already the starting itself I say there is no solution, I can say inconsistent. Inconsistent. No solution means inconsistent. No solution, inconsistent. One more, already we completed one condition. What is the condition? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. This is already from this I said no solution. From this no solution, no solution, no solution, no solution, inconsistent, inconsistent, inconsistent. So here no solution, inconsistent. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. No solution, inconsistent. Now I'll take one more example. 2x plus 2y is equal to 10, x plus y is equal to 5. That implies 2x plus 2y is equal to 10 and x plus y is equal to 5. I can multiply into 2 into 2 both sides. That's why this is also 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. So I got same equations. 2x plus 2y is equal to 10 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Both are same. So in this case, 2x plus 2y is equal to 10, 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. So we can say these pair of linear equations, you know very well in 9th class itself, linear equations in two variables are having infinitely many solutions. In this case, infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. If you want, you can go for elimination method. Minus, subtraction, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, this plus becomes minus. So 2x minus 2x 0, 2y minus 2y 0, 10 minus 10 0. 0 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. Yes, it is true. It is true. In this case, we can say infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. So this is one example. We'll write one more example. What is that one more example? I'll say. X plus 3y is equal to 4, 2x plus 6y is equal to 8. X plus 3y is equal to 4, 2x plus 6y is equal to 8. Now you multiply this, we can write as it is 2x plus 6y is equal to 8. This multiply with the 2, that's why 2x plus 6y is equal to 4 to 8. Here also again I got same equations. 2x plus 6y is equal to 8, 2x plus 6y is equal to 8. That's why, as I said already, linear equations in two variables are having infinitely many solutions. That's why from this we can say infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. So if you want, you can go for elimination method. This is before equations are also having infinitely many solutions. So here subtraction, the plus becomes minus, this plus becomes minus, this plus becomes minus. So 2x minus 2x is equal to 0, 6y minus 6y is equal to 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0, which is true. 0 is equal to 0. That's why infinitely you can say, in this particular case you can say infinitely many solutions. But always we cannot check like this. That's what we have. We are having one more condition. We can find one more conditions like this condition. Before a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, no solution. So like this we can find one more condition. Let us find by using this these equations and before equations. Let us check. Let us find one condition like this. So here 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. This is one. This is second equation. So the original equations have taken. Compare. Okay, first we can write in general form. 2x plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0, and x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. This is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. 1x we can write, 1y we can write a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now a1 is equal to 2. a1 is equal to 2. a2 is equal to 1. a1 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to 1. Coming to b1 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 1. b2 is equal to 1. Next, c1 is equal to 10. Sorry, minus 10. c1 is equal to minus 10. c2 is equal to minus 5. Let us check once again. a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. I will write down. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 is equal to, first a1 by a2 2 by 1, b1 by b2 2 by 1, c1 by c2 minus 10 by minus 5, that is nothing but 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. This is nothing but 2. Okay, 10 by 5, minus minus cancel. So finally I got a1 by a2 is equal to 2, b1 by b2 is equal to 2, c1 by c2 is equal to 2. Finally I got a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 is equal to c1 by c2. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Just now I said that these two examples before I said no, we got 0 is equal to 0, 0 is equal to 0, which is true. That's why here I can write a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. This condition is nothing but infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Consistent, at least one solution. If it is more than one also, if it is 2 or 3 or 4 or infinitely many also, we can say Infinitely we can say consistent. Infinitely many solutions also we can say consistent. One more sum we'll check. Same again. Infinitely many solutions only. Write in general form. X plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. 2x plus 6y minus 8 is equal to 0. 1x, that's right, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. a1 is equal to x. a1 is equal to 1. a1 is equal to 1. Here a2 is equal to 2. a2 is equal to 2. b1 is equal to 3. b1 is equal to 3. b1 is equal to 3. Here b2 is equal to 6. b2 is equal to 6. Next c1 is equal to minus 4. c2 is equal to minus 8. Once again the same condition. You can take a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Better I write here. Okay, no problem. a1 by a2, b1 by b2, sorry, c1 by c2. Either equal or not equal you get. Here also a1 by a2, a1 by a2, a1 1, a2 2, 1 by 2, b1 by b2, b1 is always right here, better separately. a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. a1 by a2, a1 by a2, 1 by 2, b1 by b2, b1 b2, 3 by 6, c1 by c2, minus 4 by minus 8. Just check, this is 1 by 2 only, e table 1 time 2 times, this is also 1 by 2 only, a1 by a2 1 by 2, b1 by b2 1 by 2, c1 by c2, here also this is nothing but 4 by 8, again O table 1 time 2 times, this is also 1 by 2. a1 by a2 I got 1 by 2, b1 by b2 I got 1 by 2, c1 by c2 I got 1 by 2. a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 2, b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by 2, c1 by c2 is equal to 1 by 2. So already we checked for this, we got infinitely many solutions, normal checking. Now for this condition also I got a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, already we checked for normal condition. There also we got infinitely many solutions. That's what I have written, infinitely many solutions. So it is consistent. Infinitely many solutions, consistent. So here the third model, just now I completed no solution and infinitely many solutions. So here two examples are there. This is one pair of linear equations, this is another pair of linear equations. If you solve, I am not explaining again elimination method or substitution method, cross multiplication method. So if you want, you can solve. So you get, if you solve, definitely you will get x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. X is equal, if you solve these two, you get x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. Only unique solution, one solution for these two equations. If it is one solution, if it is no solution, this is the condition. If it is infinitely many solutions, this is the conditions. If it is one solution, what is the condition? So if you want to solve, definitely you get these answers. Only, but these equations are having only unique solutions. These equations are having unique solutions. Now we go for a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. That condition we find. First, here this is nothing but 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. 3x, first I will take this example. Okay, later I will do that one. Next, 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. a1x plus b1y, this is nothing but 1y plus C1 is equal to 0, A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. C2 is equal to 0. Coming to here, A1 is equal to 2. A1 is equal to 2. A2 is equal to 3. A2 is equal to 3. B1 is equal to 1. B2 is equal to 2. C1 is equal to minus 5. C2 is equal to minus 8. C2 is equal to minus 8. Now, A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2 separately find. This is 2 by 3. So if you simplify also, because 2 and 3 are co-parent each other, this is the final answer. Here, B1 by B2, 1 by 2. B1 by B2, no? B1 1, B2 2. So, B1 by B2, 1 by 2. C1 by C2, C1 by C2, C1 by C2. Minus 5 by 8, minus 8. That's what we can write 5 by 8. 5 by 8. Now, you take only one condition. What is the condition? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. We can say only manipulate A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Only write A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Here A1 by A2 2 by 3. Here B1 by B2 1 by 2. Both are not equal. That's what I got one condition. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. In this condition, we can say, already I said no. One solution, unique solution. So, unique solution or one solution. If it is at least one solution, we can say consistent. We'll check the another example also. I got A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Okay, here A1 is equal to 8. A1 is equal to 8. A2 is equal to 3. A2 is equal to 3. B1 is equal to 5. B1 is equal to 5. B2 is equal to 2. B2 is equal to 2. C1 is equal to minus 9. C2 is equal to minus 4. C1 minus 9. Now again, A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2, C1 by C2 is equal to, this is B1 by B2, C1 by C2. What is A1 by A2? A1 by A2, 8 by 3, 8 by 3. B1 by B2, 5 by 2. C1 by C2, minus 9 by minus 4. That is nothing but 9 by 4. This is not important, leave aside. Here A1 by A2 is equal to 8 by 3. B1 by B2 also 5 by 2. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by 2. 8 by 3 is not equal to 5 by 2. That's why A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by 2. So, from this I can say, already I said no, already I given answers for this. We got x is equal to something and y is equal to something. From this I can say, already is having one solution. From this condition, if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, I can say one solution for this pair of linear equations in two variables. So if it is one solution, already I said consistent. At least one solution consistent. Infinitely many solutions consistent. If it is no solution, inconsistent. This is very, very important. The today's main class is always we are discussing about consistent and inconsistent. The conditions are, the first condition, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. No solution, consistent. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Infinitely many solutions, consistent. This is inconsistent, this is consistent. Now A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. One solution, consistent. One solution, consistent. This is very, very important. Okay. The general forms, A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0, A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. So today's the main content is, the topic is only two chances. Forget about this for time being. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. If A1 by B2, A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, one solution, unique solutions both are same. This is very important. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, unique solution or one solution, no problem, consistent. Coming to, forget about this, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, unique solution, consistent. Coming to this area, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. From this, there are two conditions, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Now C1 by C2 also is there. From this, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2 or not equal to C1 by C2. If it is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, infinitely many solutions. One solution also consistent. Infinitely many solutions also consistent. If it is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2, no solution, inconsistent. This chart, this flow chart or whatever it may be, this is very important. So anyhow, if you want, once I will write and I will send to you. Okay, now afterwards we'll practice one or two sums. Okay, and comparing A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2, find out whether the following pair of equations are consistent or inconsistent. So let us write in a general form. 3x minus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. A1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. A2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Compare. A1 is equal to 3. A1 is equal to 3. A1 is equal to 3. A2 is equal to 2. A2 is equal to 2. B1 is equal to minus 2. B1 is equal to minus 2. B1 is equal to minus 2. B2 is equal to 3. B2 is equal to 3. B2 is equal to 3. C1 is equal to minus 5. C2 is equal to minus 8. C2 is equal to minus 8. First A1 by A2. A1 by A2, 3 by 2. 3 by 2. B1 by B2, minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. C1 by C2, minus 5 by minus 8. Just to check, forget about this C1 by C2. Now here I got A1 by A2 is not A1 by A2 is equal to 3 by 2. B1 by B2 is equal to minus 2 by 3. A1 by A2 is equal to 3 by 2. B1 by B2 is equal to minus 2 by 3. These two are not equal. This is A1 by A2 value. This is A1 by A2 value. This is B1 by B2 value. Therefore, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. I can say A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. I can say consistent. They are not asking one solution or not. If they are asking, we can write one solution or consistent. In this question, particularly they are asking consistent or inconsistent. That's why just you say consistent. Suppose they are asking one solution or not. Yes, one solution. That is nothing but unique solution. That also you can write. But in this particular question, you can write only, I got this condition, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. I can say just consistent. In the other question, they are giving solution, one solution or infinitely many solutions or no solution. We can say that also. So in this particular question, we can say just now I got this condition. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. That's why I can say consistent. Consistent. That's why I can say consistent. If you want A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2 is nothing but one solution, that also you can write. But in this particular situation, it is not required. Okay, we'll write in general form, directly I will write this is minus, actually 2x minus 3y is equal to 8. That we can write minus 8 is equal to 0. This is 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. That we can write minus 9 is equal to 0. So a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Compare a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now a1 is equal to 2. A1 is equal to 2. A2 is equal to 4. A1 is equal to 2. A2 is equal to 4. A1 is equal to, A2 is equal to 4. B1 is equal to minus 3. B1 is equal to minus 3. B2 is equal to minus 6. B2 is equal to minus 6. What about C1? C1 is equal to minus 8. C2 is equal to minus 9. C2 is equal to minus 9. Let us check A1 by A2. A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. What is A1 by A2? 2 by 4. What is B1 by B2? B1 by B2. B1 by B2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 6. What is C1 by C2? Minus 8 by minus 9. So if it is simplified, this will be 1 by 2. If it is simplified, this will be 1 by 2. Here we can write only 8 by 9. Why? Because 8 and 9 are co-parent to each other. 8 and 9 are co-parent to each other. From this I got A1 by A2. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 is equal to, because A1 by A2 is equal to 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is equal to 1 by 2. C1 by C2 is not 1 by 2. That's why you can write minus is not equal to C1 by C2. Is not equal to C1 by C2. Finally, I got A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. That is nothing but 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is not equal to 8 by 9. From this we can say A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. We can write inconsistent. We can write inconsistent. From this condition we can write A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to inconsistent. If they are asking, we can write no solution also. This condition represents no solution. This condition, if it is no solution, you can write inconsistent. But they are not asking about no solution. That's why directly we are writing inconsistent. If you want, you can write no solution, inconsistent. There is no problem with that. So here same consistent or inconsistent. Otherwise here the question is different. No solution, unique solution, one solution, no solution, infinitely many solutions. This we have to find. So here this is one. A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. C2 is equal to 0. Now again A1 by A2 directly I am writing. B1 by B2, C1 by C2. What is A1 by A2? A1 1 by A2 3 1 by 3. What is B1 by B2? B1 minus 3, B2 minus 9, B2 minus 9. What is C1 by C2? C1 by C2, C1 minus 3, C2 minus 2. So simplify. A1 by A2 is 1 by 3 only. Here this is nothing but 3 by 9. 3 table 1 time, 3 table 3 times. This is also 1 by 3. Therefore, I got A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. What about C1 by C2? That is 3 by 2. That is 3 by 2. That's why I can write not equal to C1 by C2. That is nothing but A1 by A2 1 by 3. B1 by B2 1 by 3. C1 by C2 3 by 2. That's why A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. That's what we can say. From this condition we can say no solution. No solution. They are asking no solution or unique solution or infinite. No solution. So if it is no solution, this is not required, but namesake I am writing. If it is no solution, we can write inconsistent. In this particular question, no need to say inconsistent. We have to say only no solution. So no problem. If it is no solution, inconsistent. If it is no solution, inconsistent. Okay, here once again compare with A1x. This is y in the sense 1y, b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Once again a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Just a1 by a2. Here b1 by b2. Here c1 by c2. So a1 by a2, a1 in the sense 2 by a2 in the sense 3, 2 by 3. b1 by b2, b1 in the sense 1, b2 in the sense 2. Understand? b1 is 1, b2 is 2, b2 is 2. c1 is equal to minus 5, c2 is equal to minus 8, c2 is equal to minus 8. Now here itself I got a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. This is enough. I got 2 by 3 is not equal to 1 by 2. That is nothing but a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. No need to check about c1 by c2. Directly I got a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, I can say one solution. That is nothing but unique solution, consistent. So from this I can write unique solution, unique one, no problem, unique solution. If it is unique solution, I can say consistent. But consistent here it is not required. Unique solution is enough. So this is unique solution. This particular sum is having unique solution. Okay, this is the third sum. Directly you can say, why? Because if you multiply with 2, this is 6x, this is 10y minus 10y, this is minus 40 is equal to 0. So these two equations are same. Directly you can say infinitely many solution, but by condition we'll check. So let us take the original equation, not this one. So a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now same once again, a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. a1 by a2, a1 3, okay, a1 3, a2 6 by 6, b1 minus 5, b2 minus 10, c1 minus 20, c2 minus 1. Just to simplify, 3 table 1 time, 2 times 1 by 2. Here directly you can write 5 by 10. That 5 by 10 is nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Coming to here, this you can write 20 by 40. 20 by 40, 20 table 1 time, 20 table 2 time, 1 by 2. Finally you see, I got a 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by 2, c1 by c2 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. This is nothing but a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. If it is already before itself, I said infinitely many solutions. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. So if it is infinitely many solutions, we can say consistent. We can say consistent. This is the today's topic. So very important. Today's main we are discussing about a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. One solution, consistent. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Infinitely many solutions, consistent. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. No solution, inconsistent. This is the today's topic. All of you practice. All of you watch the video and once practice these sums also. Okay. We discussed about consistent and inconsistent, and there is nothing but one solution, infinitely many solutions, no solution. I'll send assignment to you, no problem. Assignment and as well as I'll send Google Forms also. You have to do both. Assignment also send to your class teacher, Google Forms also send to your class teacher. If you are not doing also, I can check in Excel sheet. Some people are at time doing two or three times. Just you do only one time. I check the particular student is doing 2 or 3 times. So only one time, attempt only one time. So otherwise I will post your names in class. This particular student attempted 2 times, 3 times like that. Understand? So carefully complete assignment I will send, and this one also, Google Forms also complete and send to your class teacher. Thank you very much.